The SAP system displays dialog boxes when it requires more information before it can proceed. Also, when providing information such as messages or specific information about your current task. Before you can continue, you must choose an action from a dialog box. To choose an action, press one of the buttons at the bottom of the dialog box. If you end a task without saving your data, or you choose a function that may cause you to lose data, the SAP system usually displays a dialog box in which you are asked to confirm or cancel your action. To display the status information about a session, choose System, then click on Status. A session is basically another SAP instance on your screen. Multiple sessions allow you to work on more than one task at a time. This can save you time and reduce the need to jump from screen to screen. To display a list of all sessions from a system, enter /O in the transaction field and click on Enter. A pop-up window will appear with status of all active sessions for your user ID. The system administrator specifies the maximum number of sessions you can have open at any one time. Each session you create is as if you logged on the system again. Each session is independent of the other, and operations on one session, for example, closing it, does not cause the effect on the other sessions. Too many open sessions can result in slower system performance. Therefore, your system administrator can limit the number of sessions you can create to fewer than the maximum allowed of 6. To create a new session from anywhere in the system, choose System and then click on Create Session. Or you can click on this icon here to create a new session. The new session becomes the active session and remains the active session unless you click on a different session. Each session has a session number. It is part of the system information in the status bar. After you have finished using a session, it is a good idea to end it. Each session uses system resources that can affect how fast the SAP system responds to your requests. If you have only one session open and you end it, you will be logged off from the system. However, before logging off, the system prompts you to save your data. Before you end any session, save any data that you want to keep. You can close a session in the following ways. Choose System and then click on End Session. Or you can click on this cross icon in the right hand corner of the active session. You can also enter /i in the transaction field of the session you want to close. To close a specific session, /i followed by the number of the session you want to close in the transaction field of any of the sessions, for example /i2 to close the second session. You can close all sessions at once in two ways. You can enter /nend in the transaction field, or you can enter /NEX in the transaction field. The difference between the two transaction code is that /NEND will prompt you to confirm that you want to close all sessions, while /NEX closes the sessions without prompting.